We are in a climate crisis and need your help. Every little thing we do, such as turning off the lights and saving water, makes a difference. However, nothing beats using your green bin. Our food waste can be used as compost or to power our devices. And that's why diverting your kitchen scraps from landfills makes sense. Now, I don't have to tell you about how organics in landfills cause greenhouse gases that quicken global warming. It's online everywhere. But a lesser-known fact is that our discarded treats are also filling up our dump sites at a rapid pace. And alternative sites are very hard to find. So we hit the streets to ask people about their green journey and the hurdles they could do without. People quickly agreed that using the green bin is important, and though the stink was expected, tolerating the smell and nastiness, as it builds, gets to you. When asked why bother, after all, a trash can will stink. The main reasons cited were to reduce odors, prevent maggots, or stop pests and rodents seeking food from becoming a nuisance. When asked how they felt about cleaning their trash cans, the smell and gross stuff inside make cleaning bins a pain, and they would rather pay someone to do it. While some declared that they just got fed up and gave up using their green cart completely. Everyone said they would use their bin more if it was not their problem to clean and maintain. So we learned that we are ready to do the right thing, unless helping becomes a pain, or turns into a job. So after some brainstorming, we discovered a solution that works for everyone, green bin users and waste haulers. Now let me introduce BagEZ. Trash bag holders. BagEZ helps your clean bins stay clean. Simply clip on any standard-sized bag and hang it in your bin. To confine all the nasty organic waste you throw in. It's simple science. Your bin stays clean because nothing yucky touches it. Lift, drop, and shut. It's that easy. On collection day, pull off the clips and seal the bag to keep everything nasty locked in. And take your bin to the curb. Your bag and its yucky contents get taken away by the garbage truck. And you have a clean bin sitting on your driveway. It can't get easier. Here are a few specs. BagEZ is made of solid steel, and holds heavy bags in place up to 55 pounds. Here's a fun fact. BagEZ helps reduce senseless waste. The average home disposes of just a few pounds of food waste per week. Using oversized trash bags to protect your large bins from a few small bags of kitchen scraps makes no sense when BagEZ does the same job perfectly with regular-sized bags. Here are 5 tips that we promise will make using your green bin a complete mess and a hassle-free experience. 1. Always use a quality bag to prevent any accidents. 2. For best results, use BagEZ with a clean bin. 3. Put some paper in the bin to soak up any liquids if the bag happens to leak. The 4th tip is about masking odors. Try using scented bags. Some people find them great. Alternatively, you can also try odor control sachets or devices. 5th. Use food-grade diatomaceous earth, commonly known as kitty litter, to keep flies and maggots away. It's a cheap, natural solution that you sprinkle over your food scraps. Keeping your green bin clean has never been so easy and hassle-free. Food waste is a global problem, and you can help by using your green bin. And now, with BagEZ making it so easy, there's simply no reason not to. Remember, waste management everywhere is different. Please contact your waste hauler to find out what type of bag you can use, and you are good to go. From storage and litter collection to bin maintenance, BagEZ offers you a complete solution. To learn more, visit us at www.bagez.com.